Have a nice time, dears. Hello, everybody. This is very important physics program, theoretical physics program. Later on, I will describe about UFO engineering and time travelers. Don't forget, final speed of UFO is 2 pi multiplied by c. Pi is famous, no need to explain. C is the speed of the light, so UFO can fly about 6 times more fast than light. But in this YouTube program, for you dears, I want to speak about Schrodinger cat. Schrodinger cat is the representative of the particle. Use Schrodinger used this example to explain the problem of the observation and measurements about particle physics. Instead of the cat, I want to use twin cats, two cats, the same cats, in two different boxes. I want to explain the behavior of two particles that are the same and are in the same conditions. But we open the cages and observe one of them is dead, another is alive. However, we use two detectors that record all of the same time that record at the same time all of the behaviors by cats in the box. We see that whether we see them or not, whether we see them or not, whether we check these reports or not, by hidden camera, we will see the died cat is licking his body. The died cat was licking his body. But macroscopic by my macroscopic zooming, we will understand that just a dangerous bacteria entered to the body of one of these cats and passed from every biological barrier and made the cat poisoned and killed one of these cats. Don't forget, please, the cats are just representative for the same particles with the same conditions. My message today for physicists, for dear Nobel physicists, is particles are not the same in the same conditions. There is no, if I want to recorrect myself, if I want to explain, none of the particles are not in the same conditions. None of the particles are not in the same conditions in any case in the universe. Even about two photons in our universe, we are not about even about two photons, even in the single line of the light, two photons, they are not the same, and they can't to be in the same conditions. Later on, we will describe in some seminar or conference, that is my greatest pleasure to explain why even two photons are not in the same conditions. Maybe Sir Roger Penrose explain for you why even two subsequent photon, they are not in the same condition in the universe. So this difference of the conditions make trouble for physicists, especially for experimental physicists, and those have to I want just to add about the photons, even about the photons, two photons in the same line of the light. I want to explain that these different photons interact with their surrounding, and their surrounding is different. However, this difference is a little, but can affect everything, every experiment. So I want to say that, so we will not have any decisive result about particle physics in every experiment unless about this important unless I have to make a program 3 months later. Step by step, we will go further. Thank you so much for listening and broadcasters. God bless you all.